I tried following this person's makeup tutorial. I've seen this all over my subscription box, I think in like the past week, and I'm super excited to be doing this video. I thought it'd be really fun. It's kind of like a fun challenge. You guys know I'm not like a makeup artist, so I thought this would be a really fun video to do and a nice makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys are excited. I'll be doing Patrick Starr. If you saw the title of this video, I thought a lot of people are doing makeup tutorials and I wanted to be different, so I'm gonna do him. And I thought, you know, hashtag Filipino fried. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna be using all the same products he uses because I don't know, I just feel like I don't have all that money to spend on high makeup, so I'm, you know, trying to really save, guys. So I'm just gonna use the products that I have, but you could obviously use the products he has, you know, whatever works for you. So it's my Neutrogena Oil Free Moisture. Get it at the drugstore. I don't have that. I'm gonna use my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I'm just gonna pause that because he's too fast. Hold on. Okay, so we're just gonna put that. Just gonna. I'm not gonna do too glowy because my skin is already oily, so I'm just gonna skip this step. Okay, foundation. I'm gonna be mixing my Wet n Wild foundation, and I'm going to be mixing my Wet n Wild foundation, and I'm going to use I'm going to like mix it in with my moisturizer so it's my shade. So I put on my beauty blender that I bought, that's new, so I finally got a new one.
Do you guys think that the new Queen of Crowd or that can will forever reign as
he's so fast. Hold on. He's like, cause he had like the stick thingy or the spray, so he made it faster. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, his looks so good. I can't for the life of me make my foundation look airbrushed. Like how? Should I use my stippling brush? I have a stippling brush. He's using a stippling brush. This is actually giving me anxiety. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. Oh my god. I need to hurry up. Oh my gosh, I was supposed to, this video is going off to a great start. I swear. Not this crazy, I swear. Oh my god. This was too much. Oh my gosh, this is giving me anxiety. Oh. Okay, breathe. Not looking too bad. It's still like, I don't know. Not as glowy, not glowy, not as like airbrush as I could have it, like Patrick. So yeah, it's fine though. Yeah, I can't do that. Making sure I blend it in. Foundation, concealer. He's using. Who's using? Some other brand, I don't know. I'm using Maybelline Better Skin. Okay, blend it in with a beauty blender, even though he's not using a beauty blender. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, fine, I'll do it on the forehead, but not as much as him because I don't know if I can. It's just all much, but we'll just try and do how he's doing it. Okay, he is using a beauty blender. It's gonna be like, I swear. Beauty blender saves lives, I swear. Saves time, man. Okay, fine, I'll do it on the I don't have a loose setting powder, so I'm just gonna use banana powder. I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette, Mega Glow. Oh my gosh, it's so much powder. I'm gonna let this set a little bit. Oh my gosh, I don't have powder, but it's fine. I'm using banana powder. So I'm just gonna set it. It's not like loose, so. He set a little bit on this powder because Kim Kardashian doesn't, so I don't know. I usually use this just underneath my eyes, but you know, we're just gonna do it. Put it all over where we need to. Okay, do brows, okay. I don't have brow pencil, I just use brow, like a brow pomade. Why is that so hard to say? No idea, man. He's using Anastasia, I'm using NYX, so. And I need to, like, do that. Oh, he's so fast, and his brows are so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was like, in the beginning I was stressing, and then I wasn't, and now I'm stressing again. Because he's so fast. His brows look so good. There's my sad brows. Like, I don't know how people get brows like that, like, defined and good. I don't know what else to say. But it's just so good. Okay, let me hurry up. This is literally me all the time when I'm going to school. I'm like, ugh. I'm like all over. Okay, it's a brow gel. Yeah, just gonna run that over my brows. Like I told you guys, they need like serious like threading, so I'm gonna try and get them done soon because I can't look at this. Maybe that's not light enough. Hold on, stop. Okay, I'm gonna try and using Nooner, even though there's not much left on the brush, and then I'll use Limit. So, I don't know, guys, maybe I'm doing this wrong, like, I don't know. Just kind of, you know, run the powder over my eyes and, you know, hope that it, like, looks decent. So that's why I don't do eyeshadow all the time. And I always go with the neutral because it's easy and I don't know how to do much of anything. So, you know, hey. Me versus you, literally. Okay, he used Limit. Maybe I'll use a dense eyeshadow brush. Oh, wait, no, never mind. He's using it in his crease as well. I don't know what color that is. What color is it? That's like a darker, like chocolate. I don't have that here. I think I'll look at my chocolate. I think Jet Setter's a little bit closer to it.
As you can see, one of my favorite colors is Canva. A little bit of this.
Woo!
So to give Kim a little bit of life.
I don't know. I'm gonna use, I think, Dust from the Naked 3 palette to highlight. I don't have water, but whatever. Okay. This falls out a little bit, so. Just kind of tapping it. I'm supposed to put it all over my lid, okay. Definitely should have gotten some water, but you know. He's so fast. Hold on. He's already at liner. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise, and I'm just going to line my upper lash line. So, okay. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I don't do falsies, so. And there's some. It's my eye booger. Okay.
So as this lashes dry, I'm going to take my baby powder. I'm going to take my baby powder.
He's using face powder. Hold on. Pause. And then I'm using L'Oreal mascara. Okay. Uh-oh, it transferred on my lid. That's fun. Okay, I think that should be good enough. I don't really know. Oh, that sucks. Pretend it's not there. Okay, it's kind of there, but kind of not. So, okay. Now I'm using face powder. Okay, I got you. Where's my face powder? Okay, here it is. Literally, so many things going on. Wait, I don't think I blended my shadow. That's good, okay. Using Rimmel. I was using it underneath his eyes to set. I already did that, so. He's contouring. I'm using this small little brush. Okay, now he's highlighting. I'm just gonna take a basic eyeshadow brush and I'm taking my, grab it, my Essence Pure Nude highlighter. Oh, he's doing it underneath his eyes. Oh my gosh. Just gonna do it down here. Look, he's scared.
Now for blush, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Pro Artist palette. This is so.
I'm gonna do it on my nose, why not? Gonna highlight as much as I can, do a little bit underneath the eyes, you know. That's not where I would normally do it, but it's fine. Yeah, you live and you learn. Now for blush, I don't know what blush he's using. Or, yeah, he's using. Which one of these? Which one of these? So it's a baby pink. Okay. So I'm using a BH Cosmetics blush. Oh, I don't have one. I think I'll just go with this one. It's like peachy, similar, you know. Still similar enough. Where's the brush? Oh, it's right here. Where should it go? I feel like this one, maybe. It's all the products. I'm just going to do that. Okay. Okay, so where does he put it? Oh, like this. Hold on.
Stop texting me.
Oh, he's lining his little lash line. I don't even know what colors. can use Limit.
Best. I'm gonna take this
No! Oh, got powder. I mean, the eyeshadow, like, too low. Pretend you guys didn't see that.
Also, I'm gonna take my Steel Bronze. This is so pretty.
I'm using Limit and Nooner. Hold on. Oh, I'm just gonna use concealer to cover that up. It's too fast, okay. Okay, that's good. Now I have to line it again. Highlighted his brow bone using Strange. Okay. Now he's doing lips. It's like a super bright baby pink. I think I will use this one by NYX. It's actually still pretty bright. I think I'll use this Essence one. It's like not super corally, but we'll just make it work. We'll make it work. Boom. Maybe I should add a little bit of a gloss because it's, yeah. I can't add any more blush because I don't. Oh, maybe I should add slightly this. Hey. Okay. Sorry. Maybe I'll add a little bit, not too much shimmer. How can I open this? Good.
So here is my wig, because I like that better than my I'll be right back.
I mean, that's not too bad, I think. I mean, just something I would wear. Do I have, okay. I forgot to cover that up, okay. But I mean, this isn't too bad. Like, let me look at it from here. So I can get a better lighting. I mean, this is pretty, I mean, I don't say this makeup looks too bad. Like, I think I like did an okay job, like, yeah. I don't know. I mean, I don't think I did that bad of a job. Like, I don't really know. Then again, I'm like not like a makeup, so hey. Okay, but yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll link all the products that I use in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought it was really fun. I was just like stressing a little bit, trying to like keep up with him, but you know, everything was fast forward, so it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want more of like these types of videos, like me doing my makeup on camera and like chilling with you guys. Let me know what you guys think, or give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe, because I'm so close to 400 subscribers, so we're so close. So make sure to subscribe, tell your friends, tell your grandma, tell anybody you know, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.